Hello friends, I would like to welcome you all in my channel. Today I am sharing with you how you can withdraw your cash from your Brave browser to the Uphold, and from that you can easily redeem your money to credit card or in your bank account. So let's get started. First of all, if you haven't downloaded Brave browser yet, I would like to request you to download Brave browser because in 4 months I have generated over 9 $8,000. I have show proof in my previous video. So if you want to do same, first you need to download the Brave browser and try it for 1 or 2 months, and after that you will start getting ads. After that you will be able to make money. For that, download the Brave browser and enable ads, and after that, to enable ad, go to just in three dots, and after that here you will find Brave rewards. Click here and just it will be off. Your work is to just enable it, and after that you will be earning regular cash. And if you are in America, the bat token you have on can be exchanged in the gift cards. So uh, there is not a single reason not to use Brave. It is 33% faster than your regular Chrome browser, and it also block ads. It means if you are looking YouTube and you will you see a lot of ads, but if you use Brave, you will not see a single ad. So I request you to switch to Brave. Link is in description. So in today's video I am showing you how you can redeem your cash to Uphold. First of all, you have to create an Uphold account that must be verified, and you have to link that Uphold account to your Brave browser. After that you will see an option like this, withdraw funds. After that, just click on that. Then it will redirect to Uphold. Yeah, it's loading. Yes, after that you have to just click to send to Uphold card. After that you have to search in which you want to transfer. For now, bat card. I would like to transfer the fund to bat card. So amount 60 bats. Use all fund available, or you can click here, or just click on confirm, and yes, it's done. Yes, you can see now the bat token we have on is successfully transmitted. Now you can see right here it will take time to show, but the amount has been already been transferred. You can see right here exchange rate, live balance. I will show you to the activities. A minute ago you have transmitted Brave to bat card, but in here, yes, you can see I have just transferred 60 bat token from Brave browser to my Uphold account, and if I like, I can also transfer this to my bank account or in credit card. It's my choice. So if you haven't download and start using Brave, it's the right time, because the price of bat token is in the medium level. If after this corona is gone, I am sure that it will be in the price of $0.25. So you can earn lot of money by using Brave browser. So I request you to download and start using Brave. Thank you.